Can I edit it on the fly? Damn. Damn diggity. So, basically, this is a stream from my Series X to my PC. Now, if you go onto your PC and try go to the control panel. There you go. Let me get rid of that. So, there you go, let's pop this here. Basically, this is now the new alternative. This app here, it's not actually available normally. You have to do a bit of digging around. Because what you could do would be go to, where is it? Here's that one. Yeah, the Xbox Companion app. And it doesn't work for Series X for some reason. So, this is mine. Let's connect. So it comes up with that. But this app, which is this one down here. Hang on. Can you even display? What that? Hang up. There we go. How the hell do I? You. How do I make that full screen? Oh, well, this down here is the new app. So what I had to do was, just go to me. Where was it? See, I've done a lot of this one. So you have to go to this website. Where's it gone? History. So it is that one. Because I found it from here. This one here, this Reddit. Just there. Basically, you just go to this, which is that one. Copy this. Alright. Copy this. Pop it in here, which I've already done. We'll do it again. And now I'll find it. Right. There you go. Now, I believe it's this one from what I've read. Xbox game streaming content test neutral. So, I believe it is. Let me just check. 3010. You have to be able to careful because it's 30170. And it's this one here. This one. Obviously I've already done it. If you download that, then there you go. There you go, just double checking. And then let's go full screen. Full screen. There. I mean, it's not 100% like on par with like my System X is like amazingly, but it's not. Jump. It's not bad. It's not bad. So yeah, I'd try and help out. Remember, follow me on Twitch. It's just Hins. Something big. Hins ____. So it's just Hins line. And subscribe and follow me on Twitch. Subscribe on here. Give me all that loving.